endless dreams for every girl and boy. Wondrous lands of make-believe will fill your heart with joy. A castle leads the entranceway to 7 lands and more. Step inside our storybook, imagine what's in store.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the Magic Kingdom.
It's all pure magic, wrapped up in pixie dust. Welcome to a place where dreams come true. A timeless journey through lands of fantasy. With only a wish, creates things like this to appear. The most magical place on earth is here.
The Magic Kingdom. It's so nice to see all your smiling faces. Good morning. Good morning. I'm Steve Sanderson, citizen of Main Street, USA. It's time to gather around, everyone, because in just a few minutes, we're going to officially open the Magic Kingdom. But we can't open the park until Mickey and all the gang arrive on the Walt Disney World Railroad. You see, they've been very busy this morning getting the Magic Kingdom ready for a day full of memory making. But what I want to know is, are you ready? Then let the memories begin. Greetings, everyone. Let's say hi to all our guests.
Hi there, good to see you.
Let's welcome our new friends.
Hello.
Welcome. Good morning from all of us here in the Magic Kingdom.
Good morning, good morning. It's great to stay up late. Good morning to you and you and you and you. Good morning, sunbeams will soon shine through. Good morning to you. When the band began to play, the stars were shining bright.
Now the milkman's on his way. It's too late to say goodnight.
So good morning, rainbows are shining through. Good morning to you.
This is so exciting. Mickey has the Bond family visiting from Louisiana to join us here on the Walt Disney World Railroad. And then help us officially open the park by joining in a great big countdown. We'll need all your help too. Is everyone ready? We're so glad to see you.
Good morning
Get ready for a magical day.
to you.
Hey everybody, did you hear the Walt Disney steam train? It must be coming round the bend. Mickey and all the gang will be here.
Casey Jr. coming down the track with a smoky stack. Hear him pumping, coming round the hill. Casey's here to thrill every Jack and Jill.
Look everyone, the steam train's arriving with Mickey and all the gang. Now we can open the Magic Kingdom again.
Illuminating Cracker Jack. Casey Jr.'s back again. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-hey. My, oh my, what a wonderful day. Plenty of sunshine heading my way. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-hey. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-hey. Come and die on my, what a smoky day. It's sunshine round my way. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-hey.
Let's hear it for Mickey, the Bond family, and all the gang.
Hi, everyone. Gosh, it's great to see you.
Gee, Mickey, we thought you'd never get here. It certainly is great to see you and all your friends, too. Isn't it, everyone? So, Mickey, are we ready to open the Magic Kingdom?
Yup, we sure are, aren't we, gang?
Great, let's say hi to the Bond family. Good morning.
Good morning.
They're going to help us open the park along with everyone here by joining in a great big countdown.
Gosh, that's swell. Hi there. Thanks for helping us today.
All right, everyone, let's all do a countdown backwards from 10 to open the park. Mickey?
Okay, gang, count nice and loud. Here we go.
And
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, pixie dust. Welcome to a place where dreams come true. A timeless journey through lands of fantasy. Sing only a wish creates things like this to appear. The most magical